The recent firmware update for the Galaxy S20 Plus seems to have caused a few problems, and one of them is with the MMS. Some users reported that shortly after the update they can no longer send and receive MMS or picture messages. In this video I will show you what to do if your Galaxy S20 Plus can't receive MMS. First solution: make sure mobile data is enabled. Mobile data is required for you to be able to send and receive MMS, so the first thing you have to do is make sure it's enabled. Swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. This will pull the quick settings panel down. Look for mobile data and make sure it's enabled. If for some reason it was disabled, then enabling would surely fix the problem. However, if it's already enabled but your phone can't still receive MMS, then try the next solution. Second solution: force restart your device. It is possible that this is just due to a minor glitch in the system, especially if the problem started without apparent reason or cause. To rule this out, try to do the force restart. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger the phone to turn off and power back up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the device has finished rebooting. After the reboot, try to send an MMS to your own number. Third solution: reset the network settings. After doing the first 2 solutions and your Galaxy S20 Plus is still not able to receive MMS, then try resetting the network settings to make sure it's not due to an issue with the network services. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. After this, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution: factory reset. At this point, it's better to reset your phone, especially if everything was working fine prior to this problem. If you're not comfortable with it, then try calling your service provider, as it might be an account-related issue. But for those who want to try the reset, back up your files and data and then follow these steps to reset your device. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password or pattern. Tap Delete All. Now enter your Samsung account password to verify your identity and then wait as the phone resets itself. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or the other. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.